Hey everybody, welcome to the Ridgway world. I'm Jeff and you're not.
And I'm Terry.
Yeah, well I like saying that because some people like it, some people don't. And the people who don't, I don't care. If you don't like it, tough crap. It's the way it is.
Yeah.
Right?
I guess.
We're not here to please everyone, just the majority. It's always about the majority. Hey, and happy belated Father's Day to everybody out there. Everything was good?
Happy belated Father's Day.
Yeah, well, today's not Father's Day.
You're very late Father's Day.
I'm just saying, belated to everyone. And
okay.
I put on Twitter, I said, Happy Father's Day to those who are responsible. And that's what I meant that. You know, there's a lot of people out there that aren't responsible for being a father. So I just wanted to say, hey, to the guys out there that are responsible, good job. Because, you know, you got to take responsibility for what you do. Right?
Yeah, I agree.
Oh, okay. The way you were looking at me is like, shut up, Ridgway, because you run your mouth.
No, it's sometimes I'm just like, what is he going to say next?
Right, well that's a good thing. You can't plan everything you want to say, but you got, you know, if you feel it, say it. Sometimes you get punched in the face for it, but other times...
Oh, you never get punched in the face.
I know, because I'm still fast. Even for 60, I got the speed. If somebody's chasing me, I can run like the wind.
Oh.
No, I didn't say that. No.
Okay.
But no, a scared Ridgway runs like a rabbit. So.
Yeah.
This is life, isn't it?
Yeah, right.
and this is the life, actually, because that's a saying that Terry's dad always used to say, and I'm thinking of Father's Day, still in my mind.
He used to say that a lot out on the boat.
Yeah, if we were out on a boat all together, and he would say, "This is a life, Larry," or "This is a life, Terry," and that like resonates with me for, you know, basically forever, and I know you the same. So yes. And Larry the same way, he'll always say, "Hey Terry, this is life, isn't it?" And it's kind of comical because we all flash back and everything.
Yeah.
But getting back to what we're doing today is we have a few things here for fan mail that we would like to open up. And you may, in the background, you may see Luna, who likes to swim. She's soaking wet.
And they might have been sitting here for a while, but it's just we haven't been able to have a chance to open them.
Right.
And I know I'm repeating myself because I know we're late all the time.
Yeah, we're always late.
But we do get there.
Yeah.
You know. Yeah,
we just try to, you know, we plan things and we do things, and then we sometimes neglect other things. But we always try to do it. It's just like you can't see in the background, but I got big boxes back there for Father's Day. That is a big monstrosity of a gazebo the boys got for me. So at some point I got to put that thing together. Yeah. But it's just you don't have enough time in the day.
We can film that. You putting that together.
Yeah, that's good.
That would be interesting.
Well,
I think.
I hope.
Well, isn't it always interesting when you're on that?
In my mind it is. I don't know about everybody else's, but
yeah.
But yeah, you always try to make it interesting. Okay, so what do we got? We have some letters and we got a couple boxes. I got Lewis, and what's that name? Mazuika?
I don't know. I don't want
to hack it up either, but that's what it is. And I think Lewis hit me up on Twitter and says,
"Don't show his address."
I'm not. So hey, Mr. Ridgway, when are you going to open my fan mail letter? And I said, I don't even think I responded. I may have hearted it, because I do that. I do heart a lot. So, okay, let's see what it is. Dun, 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 Lewis. Dear Jeff, my name is Lewis. I love your channel and great content. I always love the Psycho series, especially the fight between you and Uncle Larry. And my most favorite fight is Uncle Chris because of the shoving and the arguing. And I look back at that, and it's good for me too. You know, since I lost my brother, you know, looking back at them, we had some good times and some fun doing it. So, question for Jeff: are you going to be watching the Phillies play against the Giants? I hope the Giants beat the Phillies again, LOL. Love the last game with your team. And yeah, I don't watch the Phillies all the time. You know, I may get an inning or two, maybe 3 in, and then I go do something else, and maybe I'll come back at the ninth and check it out. Or sometimes I just check the score the next day. And yeah, go Giants, they won. So yeah, here's to you, Lewis, I appreciate it. Ram or Dakota trucks?
Ram.
I think that, yeah, Ram. Well, the Dakota is actually the same. It's the same company, Ram and Dodge. So the Dodge Dakota. I don't like the Dakota only because it's a little tiny truck, in my opinion. I got the big Ram 3500 with the Cummins diesel, so that's like the big one. So I'm a Ram fan from way back. I've owned all kinds of trucks in my day, trucks and cars. We've had Chevys, we've had Fords, we've had Rams, and what I think I had a couple other little oddball trucks, but I've had a lot of cars over my career. But I'm still a Ram fan. Tuna, what's going on? Shake them up, Tuna.
Now that one came to the house.
And it's like upside down. No return address?
It came to the house. It was in the mailbox.
Right.
And so I would think somebody had to put it there because there's no stamp on it or anything.
Don't want it to be one of those oddballs with like a glitter bomb and it dumps crap all over the place. Tuna.
Tuna. No barking, please. Yeah. That's
Whilst the clock is ticking on the two of you, undercover came the note 1 of 2. When it rains, it pours. Under the umbrella, you stand. This is the stupid.
This is another note.
Stupid notes. Stupid notes. I don't deal with stupid notes. I don't deal with stupid people, so.
Oh, don't do that.
Why?
Because I think this is another clue to my keys.
I don't care. I really don't. I'm tired of the crap. It's somebody's little game. Tough crap.
Well, I'm taping this back together. This is a clue. You know, I know you say you'll call and get another Ram key, but you know this is an old Volkswagen.
I'll change the ignition.
I don't know. Why should I go to the expense?
But it's somebody that's got to mess with our crap and mess with us.
Could you just listen to me for just 1 minute? Why would I go to the expense of doing that when we know that somebody that we know has these keys?
But
right?
I don't like giving the satisfaction to people that mess with other people. That's why. I'd rather just go on with it and turn the other cheek, per se. You know, that type.
You know what? We'll get back to this.
Will we?
Yes.
Okay, we got Jenny Gross. Gross? Are you happy now? Or are you?
No, I'm upset.
Why? Because I tore it up? Because I don't really give a crap about it. It's not like it's a chain letter and you break a chain letter where you
No, but it's going to, I'm taping it back together because we've got to compare it and see, because the last note said that somebody was getting something in the mail.
Right.
No way.
Okay, oh, this, I don't know if you should, it says Dear Terry. And this is Jenny Gross. I think it's Gross.
Dear Terry, I have been watching some of your old videos. How is Aunt Melissa doing? She's doing wonderful. I loved her character in the Psycho series. I don't mean to be too nosy, but in your basement, where did you get that mirror with Elvis Presley on it? I want one. I love Elvis. If you ever get a chance to go to Graceland, you should go. It is amazing. I would love to go to Graceland. If I had a bucket list, that would be on my list.
I think I would like
Elvis
Graceland
Presley
too. So.
On it. Gosh, tell you the truth, it was a long time ago, and I think it was from somebody at your work.
No, actually, the Elvis mirror and the coasters and a piece of the Hollywood sign was all in a multi-pack I won at a golf tournament.
Oh.
So
then basically we don't know really where it came from.
There's some, they're like, almost like China, I think, coasters of Elvis and you know, his different things of his life.
Yeah.
And then there's, like I said, a little hunk of the Hollywood sign. The original Hollywood sign is in it. It's like a collector's pack.
Yeah.
But the sign, or the mirror itself, covers a big hole in the wall where I think it was JT punched a hole in the wall, and they took the Elvis picture that was on the opposite side of the basement and they covered it up. They stuck it, you know, I ought to show sometime.
I think you punched a hole, or Jesse punched a hole in the wall too.
Well, we've all had little bouts of anger and things like that, so possibly.
Oh shit. Wow. Whoa.
I can't remember.
Jenny also goes on to say, also, can you do a tour of your gnome room? I think it will make a fun video. I do too. And I think probably females appreciate it more than males. And our audience is 14% female, so we need to work on that somehow. I don't know what we can do there, but that's a good idea.
Maybe on the
you know, I could actually, because I'm making another gnome garden with, I'm going to do a little more fairies on there, so I have 3 things actually I could do. Also, being into fashion myself, in a few of your summer videos, you had some cute sundresses. Why don't you wear them more often? They look
Thank you. I say the same thing. I
you.
love to see her in a sundress. So
I do, but sometimes I don't feel that that's always appropriate for the video.
it doesn't matter.
If you want me to
do
wear them, I
you
can wear
and
them.
live your life the way you would like to live it.
Nice advice, Jenny.
Thank you, Jenny. It's almost like I asked you to say that about the sundresses.
Keep up the good work on your videos. They are always entertaining, and have a great fun summer.
That was very nice. That's a nice.
Thank you.
That was a very nice
I think it's
one.
like Croce maybe.
Yep, like
you
Jim
know Jim
Croce. Yeah, yeah.
I don't know.
Was that was Croce though?
Thank you.
That was Croce.
Thank you so much.
Jim Croce. I did not. Oh, there it is. Box from Prime. Terry Ridgway. No return address.
That's an Amazon box.
I know. Do you want to open it?
Huh?
Excuse me. You want to open it?
You can open it.
So I got the knife in the hand and I cut towards myself like I'm not supposed to.
Mm-hmm.
I could have just ripped it, but that was less dramatic. Oh, this is not.
Oh my Lord.
Oh, the Lord sent it to you?
This is kind of ironic. Somebody sent me fairies.
Oh. Didn't
How did they know I was
Didn't the
doing
little
it?
fairies fly to you here?
I know I was doing a gnome garden with fairies.
Just like people send letters to the house about
I
other
don't know,
things.
maybe I mentioned it. There's
Yeah.
no note in here.
No.
But somebody has to let me know.
Yeah,
who
please
this
let
is
her know
from.
who sent her the fairies.
Oh my God.
What's it called? Pine what?
It's a pine cone house.
Oh, it's a pine cone.
I can't believe it.
Oh my gosh. I'm so happy.
Oh, that's beautiful.
That is.
Oh, look at that. Look at the detail on that. That is
It's
awesome.
just like we were in Switzerland or something. That was like the houses that were there.
This is perfect. Thank you, whoever did. Oh, they got, and it has kind of a little stake.
Yeah.
Oh.
So whoever sent it to her
Oh, and a fairy with a dog.
Ah! Oh.
It's a dog.
It seemed appropriate to scream. I don't know why.
Oh my God, this is adorable. It's a little snail. Although I hate little
she hates
snails
snails.
here, but
There's a lot of wars with snails around this house.
is so cute. It's got a frog and it says welcome. Oh my gosh. I wish I knew who this was. Oh.
Well, either way, somebody in the comments. Yeah, in the comments, or DM her and tell her who sent it to her.
Thank you so much.
That is sweet, though.
But again,
put who it's from.
A great addition. Well, sometimes I think Amazon screws up too because they don't like put a gift receipt in there.
Right. It's like, what's this one? This one, oh, this is to Terry Ridgway. Terry! From, and it's faded a little bit, but Angela Beliner?
Oh, I know that name.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, here.
Thank you.
I am passing the knife.
Oh, I don't like to use a knife.
Why?
Here, you use the knife. I don't like to use it. I don't trust myself. I'm a little shaky.
What's the worst
Well,
can happen?
thank you, Angela. I'm thanking you ahead of time. I think I know who you are.
There you go.
I think she was on the last Blackjack stream that we did at Jesse's house. I think she had liked my hat.
Ground. Oh, a box within a box. That is very nice. I like that. A pin. Oh, sorry, I was going to read it, but. You know, the suspense is killing me.
It's killing you?
Yeah, it's killing me softly. Wait, let me cut that. You know I love to cut things. Thank you. Oh, oh, patriotic nose.
Oh, how cute. Oh my God.
That is kind of, that's a lot
this.
of glitter though.
Awesome.
That's a lot of glitter,
Uncle
hon.
Sam. So nice. Thank you so much, Angela. I appreciate it so much.
And now I got glitter everywhere. You see how glittery this little dude is?
Yes.
Oh, they can go in the little hut too. Oh.
Now, I want to get back to this.
Why? I'm not touching it.
I'm going to get tape.
Why are you going to get tape?
Hold it.
No, why? I don't want parts of it. You touch it. I don't. Are you seriously leaving a fan mail thing to get tape? You locked poor tuna fish out. What if tuna fish wanted to go swimming again? Right, tuna? Yeah, I got no time for this crap. I really don't. Life's too short to worry about these little idiotic things that people want to send with little games in it. They want to take your stuff. We already know it has to be somebody that knows us, so.
Right, so it's like a mystery, and you know.
Yeah, but I'm not really worried about the mystery.
Well, I would like my keys back without having to go through it. So this is what we got. This is what Jackie found in the tree.
I still don't believe, you know, Jackie. I still think she's got a hand.
Well, I think she does too, but it's
Luna,
something that we need to do. Look, you tore it, and God, you're. Ugh.
What? I only tore it a couple ways. I could have burned it in the fire pit along with that other wood.
A couple ways?
Yeah, that pressure treated lumber you're not supposed to burn. Tuna, where's the turkeys? Yeah, the turkeys, it was the deer at first that was eating all my bird feed.
Have to tape
now it's the turkeys. There's a family of a mother, father turkey, whatever they're called, and about 5 or 6 little babies. So every morning they're always out here when we come out, and Luna's got to chase them into the woods. That's her thing. But John, he doesn't really care.
Whilst the clock is ticking on the two of you, undercover came this note, one of two.
How's it undercover?
So that means this note is the first one of two. So either we're going to get another one or Larry's going to get one.
Who cares?
You know what, Ridgway, you're pissing me off.
Right. Were you going to drive the Volkswagen today?
It doesn't matter, Jeff. They're my keys and I want to find them.
Right. So, but again,
and I want to get them back.
If it's a wild goose chase, again, similar to the Parvin State Park one, are we going to, what do? You want me to change the ignition and get a new key for it? Because I can do that too. Tuna, stay over here, baby. Huh?
Stop.
Look at you.
When it rains, it pours. Under the umbrella you stand. Where the W's are under watch on someone's land. And this is supposed to be part of it too.
Where'd that one? That was the one.
This has nothing to do with anything.
Right.
So we have to wait for number 2.
I did number 2 this morning. So I don't have to wait for number 2.
All right.
What? Now you're getting mad?
I'm not
because
getting
I don't
mad.
want to take it seriously, because I don't want to get involved in it, because it's always going to just piss me off. Right? So what if we get on a wild goose chase like always,
Jeff?
And we go all over God's creation looking for something, and your keys are probably stuck in a tree limb or something here? Why don't you just call your brother?